Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be comparing Barclays and NatWest, two of the UK's largest banks. And we're going to answer the question, which one is better for you as a customer? Barclays and NatWest are both well-established names in the UK banking industry with a large and rich history. Both banks have faced challenges and opportunities in the 21st century, such as the global financial crisis and the digital transformation. But how do they differ and compete with each other? Let's find out. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a bank is the range and quality of products and services they offer. Whether you need a current account, a savings account, a loan, a mortgage, a credit card, or an investment, you want to make sure that you get the best deal and the most suitable option for your needs and preferences. In this section, we will compare Barclays and NatWest on their product offerings and see how they differ and compete with each other. So let's start with current accounts. Both banks offer a variety of current accounts for different purposes, such as everyday banking, student banking, premier banking, and business banking. Some of the features and benefits of these accounts include: from Barclays, you get free cash withdrawals from over 1,500 branches and 55,000 ATMs in the UK. You get access to online and mobile banking, as well as telephone banking and in-branch services. They offer an overdraft facility with a £15 buffer. You get cashback rewards from selected retailers when you shop with your debit card. They have the Blue Rewards scheme that pays you up to £7 a month for banking with Barclays, plus extra cashback on selected products. And they have a range of insurance and protection products such as travel insurance, home insurance, and mobile phone insurance. With NatWest, you get free withdrawals from over 1,000 branches and 50,000 ATMs in the UK. You get access to online and mobile banking, as well as telephone banking and in-branch services. They offer an overdraft facility with a £10 buffer. They have a cashback plus scheme that pays you 1% cashback on your debit card spending at selected retailers. They also have reward accounts that pay you 2% cashback on selected household bills, plus extra benefits such as travel insurance, mobile phone insurance, and breakdown cover. And they have a range of insurance protection products such as travel insurance, home insurance, and life insurance. So as you can see, both banks offer similar features and benefits for their current accounts, but there are some differences in the fees, interest rates, and rewards. Depending on your spending habits and preferences, you may find one bank more appealing than the other. For example, if you use your overdraft frequently, you may prefer Barclays. On the other hand, if you pay a lot of household bills, you may prefer NatWest's reward account. Moving on to savings account, both banks offer a range of savings accounts for different goals, such as instant access, fixed term, regular saver, and ISA. Some of the features and benefits of these accounts include: with Barclays, you get instant access savings account with no minimum deposit and no withdrawal restrictions, paying up to 0.25% interest. You get fixed term savings account with a minimum deposit of £500 and a fixed interest rate of up to 0.65% for 12 months. They have a regular savings account with a minimum deposit of £5 and a maximum deposit of £250 per month, paying a 1.5% interest for 12 months. They have ISA accounts with no minimum deposit and no withdrawal restrictions, paying up to 0.2% interest tax-free. And they have the Smart Investor service that allows you to invest in stocks, funds, bonds, and more with low fees and expert guidance. From NatWest, you can find a instant access savings account with no minimum deposit and no withdrawal restrictions, paying up to 0.2% interest. They have a fixed term savings account with a minimum deposit of £1,000 and a fixed interest rate of up to 0.5% for 12 months. Their regular saver account has a minimum deposit of £1 and a maximum deposit of £50 per month, paying a 3.04% interest for 12 months. Their ISA accounts have no minimum deposit and no withdrawal restrictions, paying up to 0.2% interest tax-free. And finally, NatWest Invest service that allows you to invest in funds with low fees and expert guidance. So again, both banks offer similar features and benefits for their savings accounts, but there are some differences in the interest rates and investment options. Depending on your savings goal, you may find one bank more attractive than the other. For example, if you want to save a large amount of money for a fixed period, you may prefer Barclays' higher interest rate and a lower minimum deposit for the fixed term accounts. On the other hand, if you want to save a small amount of money regularly, you may prefer NatWest's higher interest rate and a lower maximum deposit for the regular savings account. Next, let's take a look at loans. Both banks offer a range of loans for different purposes, such as personal loans, car loans, home improvement loans, and debt consolidation loans. Some of the features and benefits of these loans include: from Barclays, we have the personal loans from £1,000 to £35,000 with an APR of 5.5 and a repayment term of 2 to 5 years. For car loans, they offer between £1,000 to £25,000 with an APR of 5.9 and a repayment term of 2 to 5 years. You can get a home improvement loan from $1,000 to $35,000 with an APR of 5.5 and a repayment term of 2 to 5 years. Their debt consolidation loans range from £1,000 to £35,000 with a representative APR of 5.5% and their repayment terms are 2 to 5 years. They offer flexible repayment options such as overpayments, payment holidays, and early settlement, and you can apply online and get an instant decision with funds transferred within a few hours. When it comes to NatWest, you can get a personal loan from £1,000 to £50,000 with an APR of 3.4% and repayment terms of 2 to 8 years. Car loans are available from £1,000 to £50,000 with an APR of 3.4% and repayment terms of 2 to 8 years. Home improvement loans are available from £1,000 to £50,000 with an APR of 3.4%, again with terms of 2 to 8 years. And finally, debt consolidation loans from £1,000 to £50,000 with an APR of 3.4 and repayment terms of 2 to 8 years. Again, they have flexible repayment options such as overpayments, payment holidays, and early settlements, and you can apply online for an instant decision and have the funds transferred within 2 working days. As you can see, both banks offer similar features and benefits for their loans, but there are some differences in the loan amounts and the interest rates. Depending on your borrowing needs and preferences, you may find one bank more suitable than the other. For example, if you need a large loan amount, you may prefer NatWest's higher maximum limit of £50,000. On the other hand, if you need a quick loan, you may prefer Barclays' faster transfer time of a few hours. So there you go, we have seen what both banks have to offer and compared their strengths and weaknesses. There is no clear winner or loser in this comparison. The best bank for you depends on your personal needs and preferences. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.